morning children. In today's class, we are going to start a new topic called combination. The word combination by name we know. There are many things in front of you. You are going to combine something and select it. So the word combination tells me it is selection. So 5 children in front of you. I am going to select only 3 children. How many ways can I do it? When 5 children are there, can I select 6 children? No. So from 5, I can select only 3. In the previous exercise, we learnt 5 children are there. I can arrange in 3 places. How did I do it? 5 into 4 into 3. Or 5 children in 5 places. How did I do it? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here I call permutation, which is selection as well as arrangement. Whereas in combination, I am dealing only with selection. Arrangement will not come. Selection and arrangement, I will say 5P3 from the previous exercise. But I don't want arrangement means divide by that arrangement. 3 children in 3 places, 3 factorial. In general, I will say NCR. N children are there, you are selecting R. Take an R at a time. The selection is NPR divided by R factorial. The basic formula for combination. So combination, we can use permutation. Remember, divide by R factorial. What formula we learned for NPR? It is N factorial by N minus R factorial. So what is the formula for NCR? N factorial by N minus R factorial. This is NPR which I have written. Along with that, there is R factorial in the denominator. So what is NCR formula? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Always remember, R should be below N or equal to N. See, there are 5 children. I can say all of you come. That is, from 5 children, I select 5 children. So, R can be at the maximum equal to N. There are 5 children. Can you say minus 1 children come? No. So, R should be more than 0 or equal to 0. If I am not selecting anyone, R is 0. If I select 1 or 2 or 3, R will be 0 and above. But below N. Remember that maximum it can be equal to N. What will you say about N? If there is something in front of you only, you can select. So, N should be more than or equal to 1. A few values to do exercise problems. What is NC0? Remember, what is NP0? I simply write N. Divide by the factorial tells me NC0 will be 1 because NP0, my formula is N factorial divided by N minus 0 factorial, that is 1. If it is NC0, include 1 0 factorial, so again my answer is 1. What is NPN? NPN will be N factorial by N minus N factorial, or simply I get N factorial. So what will be NCN then? From here, NCN is equal to N factorial. Whatever comes here, divide. So I get 1. Remember, in combination, 0 comes, my answer is 1. Same letter comes also, my answer is 1. From these two, I derive an important property. NCR equals NCN minus R. What is NC1? It is N. NC2. If it is NP2, I write N and N minus 1. NC2 divide by 1 into 2. Like this I can extend for any problem. So basic idea, NC2, n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2. So whatever we did in previous exercise, almost the same pattern, but divide by the whatever number is here, that factorial will come down. So as we do exercise, we will be little more thorough with. With combination, we have an interesting topic called Pascal's triangle. Look at these numbers 1, 1, 1 in both the sides. Here, add 1 and 1, I get 2. How do I form the next line? 1 in the beginning, 1 in the ending. In between, 1 plus 2 gives me 3, 2 plus 1 gives me 3. Same way, how to write this line? 1 in the beginning, 1 in the end. Add 1 and 3, I get 4. Add 3 and 3, I get 6. Add 3 and 1, I get 4. Like this, you keep on extending. See, 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. So, every time 1 in the beginning, 1 in the ending. And I see from the beginning and from the ending, the numbers are same. See, 1, 1, 5, 5, 10, 10. Same way, 1, 1, 4, 4, 6. So, hereafter, any number of lines you can keep on writing. How these numbers are coming actually? It is from the combination. The very first idea 1 we write. The second row 1C0, 1C1. So this is just we have written. This is not the idea. When I write combination, n should be greater than or equal to 1. So this is the beginning we have written. The next idea, when n is greater than or equal to 1, this is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is 4, n is 5 and so on I can write. When n is 1, that is one student is there, I can select no student or one student. When n is 2, that is there are 2 children, I can select 0 children or 1 child or 2 children. When there are 3, I can select 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Can I select 4 from 3? No. So this number should be below. So that is what we say. R should be starting from 0 and ending with n. I cannot select 4 from 3 children. I can select maximum 3 from 3 children. So R value is between 0 and n. So here what we are writing, NCR. The next idea, there are 4. How will you write it? 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. So like this as I write, I am informing on biggest property. Pascal's triangle gives us an idea. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equals n plus 1 CR. Look at these 3 numbers. What is this 3 actually? This is second, third, fourth row. 1, 2, 3, fourth row. Here I am. 3C1, 3C2. And this is 4C2. So how do I get it? When 3 and 3 are there, my answer is 1 increased, 4. 1 and 2 are there, bigger number will come here. So n are there, my right hand side answer will be n plus 1. R and R minus 1 are there, bigger number is R will come here. Like this, you can tell me any example. Say, tell me what is 5C3 plus 5C4. What would be the RHS? 5 and 5 are coming. Here I will include one more. So it will become 6. And the base 3 and 4 are there. I should write the bigger number. That is 4. So like this, any objective type questions are coming, you should be able to attempt. And all this we derive from Pascal's triangle. The triangle is based on combination values. List of formula as we discussed earlier. Combination, the very first formula NCR equals NPR by R factorial. NCR equals n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. R should be between 0 and n. N should be greater than or equal to 1. NCR equals NC n minus r. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equals n plus 1 CR. NCX and NCY are equal implies either x is equal to y or x plus y equals n. A few values of combination NC0, NCN. Same number or 0 comes, answer is 1. 1 comes, answer is n. So NC1 n tells me 5C1 5, 4C1 4, 3C1 3, like that way. When it is NC2, n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2. When it is NC3, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. Combination, the definition, what we learnt already, selection without repetition. So there are 10 children, I select 5 children, I will write 10C5. I cannot repeat the children, one child can come only one time. So there are 10, I am selecting 5, tells me 10C5. Exercise 2.4, question number 1 given. NPR is 1680, NCR is 70. Find N and R. What formula we learnt? NCR equals NPR by R factorial. The connecting formula for NPR and NCR. NPR 1680, or I can bring R factorial here, NCR here. So R factorial is equal to NPR by NCR. R factorial is equal to NPR is 1680, NCR is 70. R I get. R factorial is equal to, as we cancel, 24. 24 is actually what factorial? We know 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial is 24. Remember, 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. So if they give you 24, you must immediately relate it to 4 factorial. Factorial cancel, R is equal to 4. What is my question? Find N and R. We have calculated what is R. Put it back in NPR formula. So I have NP, instead of R I can write 4, which is 1680. What is meant by NP4? NP4 can be written as N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3. Remember 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 terms I have to write, equal to 1680. When I read a problem like this, factorizing or multiplying will be very difficult. So you go with an easy method. Take this number 1680, keep on dividing. First I put 2. My answer is 840. Again I put 2. My answer is 420. Again put 2. 210. Again 2. It is 105. Now 2 won't go, so put 3. I get 3, 5. 5 I can put, it is 7. 7 I put 1. Out of all the numbers, I check which is the highest prime number, 7. So one number I have chosen is 7. Find out this 1680 to be product of 4 consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive numbers? 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I can say 8, 9, 10, 11. Or I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are consecutive numbers. So there are so many given. You select in such a way that I must get 4 consecutive numbers so that 1680 is coming. How shall I write it? One number is 7. So what is the next number I can say? Next number 2 into 2 into 2. All these three numbers together will give me what? 8. So I got 7, I got 8. Shall I combine these two? This will give rise to 6. And this is 5, this is 7. See whether I get 4 numbers correctly. 8, 7, 6, 5. So how will I write this 1680? I can write it as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. That is 1680. Compare. What is n? 8 I have written. What is n minus 1? 8 minus 1, 7. Correct. n minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6. Correct. n minus 3, 8 minus 3, that is 5. So every number suits it correctly. I can give out the answer n is equal to 8. So the question is find n and r. We have found out what is n and r. So writing this will be little difficult. Practice yourself. When 1680, any other number comes also, I want 4 consecutive numbers out of all the devices. Look out for the biggest number, 7. Next number I can say 5. So I have to find out consecutive numbers for 5 and 7. Which are the consecutive numbers for 5 and 7? It could be 4 or 6. It could be 8 or 6. So I am combining in such a way that I get 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. That gives me 1680. So n I compare. So n is equal to 8 and that is the answer. Exercise 2.4, question number 2. Verify that 8C4 plus 8C3 equals 9C4. Remember the property 8 comes, right hand side will be 8 plus 1. 3 and 4 are coming, bigger number will come. So it is by the property, but we are going to verify that. What is 8C4? 8C4 meaning 8, 7, 6, 5. When there are 4, write 4 numbers divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 8C4 meaning 8, 7, 6, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Simplify and write the answer. 8C3 implies 8, 7, 6 by 1, 2, 3. When it is 3, denominator is 1 into 2 into 3. Numerator starting from 8, I must write next previous numbers. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 2, like that. 9C4. What is 9C4? 9, 8, 7, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Simplify all this. Check whether you get the result. We get 70, 56 and 126. And so we understand 70 plus 56 equal to 126. Or else we can say we verify that 8C4 plus 8C3 equals 9C4, and that is the result to be shown. Question number 3. How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? See, we have a circle and there are 21 points on the circle. The question is chord. How to draw a chord? We have to join any 2 points. So, we need 2 points to draw a chord and there are 21 points. How will you select 2 from 21? In how many ways? 21 C2 ways. So, how many number of cards are there? 21 into 20 by 1 into 2. When 2 is coming, denominator 1 into 2. Numerator, I must write 2 numbers. 21, previous number 20. As I cut and cancel, it is 210. So we can draw 210 number of chords. Fourth question. How many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of a hexagon? A hexagon will have 6 points or 6 vertices, we say. To draw a triangle, we actually need 3 points. So how many points are there? 6 points. but I need only 3 points. So 3 from 6 can be done in how many ways? 6 C 3 ways. So what is my answer? 6, 5, 4 by 1, 2, 3. Simplifying we get 20. So we can draw 20 triangles using the vertices of a hexagon. So a hexagon has 6 vertices. To draw a triangle we need 3. 3 from 6 can be done in 6 C 3 ways, simplifying which we get 20 triangles.